So our project talks about those who likes to do makeup, who likes beauty. So our project is actually targeted for those beauty enthusiasts who wants to experience the journey of learning and then shopping at the same time at one go, because currently we know that whenever you're watching the tutorials, it takes time for you to from watching the tutorial itself and then finding the right products for you, and then you need to go again to the website and then need to search, browse through the product again, adding to cart. We don't want that to happen. So in our project, we want everything to be solved without any hassle for our users. And thanks to my beloved teams, we make it happen in just 2 weeks, which is unbelievably amazing. We can do within this short 9 weeks, and then with only 2 weeks of doing this project, we can create an application from total scratch.
It's definitely been interesting and very, very enriching. I didn't think that I would be able to code or produce like any kind of IT or tech kind of product, but I think the experience has shown me that with hard work you can, and I think the experience has been not only humbling but also very inspiring. I now know that if I put my mind and heart to it, I can do anything.
Compared to other bootcamps out there, its price is affordable, and also it's actually a in-class bootcamp compared to other bootcamps which is online. So I get asked questions to the coaches who really give me a really good answer and is very patient with me when I learn the coding. And also they also include yoga lessons to the coding class, which is very interesting. It helps me to de-stress after a day of difficult coding.
Be ready for how intensive it is. Do your prep work. It's really, really important. I cannot stress that enough. Second advice I would give is to always ask your instructors and TAs questions in class, because not only are they there to help you basically, but they are also extremely knowledgeable and helpful and really, really generous with their advice. I think that's something that I was hoping for and I got. The third thing finally is, I think the biggest piece of advice, especially for somebody like me, if you're someone like me who doesn't have any coding experience, is to always revise. Put a little bit more time and effort into revising, giving yourselves the little bit more advantage because you've maybe heard a lecture again or heard a lecture before and has taken time after class as well to give just maybe even half an hour of time to revise so that you can catch up the next day, for example. Otherwise, because of the intensity of the bootcamp, it can be a little bit scary, but with hard work and dedication, it's definitely doable.